Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Ah, pucha! Woo! Ah, nagkamali tayo. Puta, dapat doon. Mali, mali. What's up mga boss? Good morning, this is BossTL again. Ngayong araw pupunta kami ng Tagaytay. I'm with Janus Motovlog. Nagyaya lang to biglaan lang, Tagaytay daw. May pupuntahan kaming client niya. Well, simply put, client meeting. Sinama lang ako. Langya, gastos tuloy ako. But anyway, kakalagpas lang namin ng Mindanao Ave. We will go Skyway all the way to Alabang. Tangin ang mahal ng toll. Pero yun nga, papunta na kami sa Tagaytay with this one. Saan to pupunta? Oh, actually ngayon lang ako dumaan dito sa Mindanao exit na papuntang south. Gastos na ito. Diyos ko, biruin mo, akit ka ng Skyway. From what I know, the new Skyway from Balintawak to Makati would cost me around 300 pesos, di ba? Tapos bukod pa yung Skyway from Makati down to Alabang. Inaubusan tol ko nun. Woo! Anyway, eto na tayo. Buti na lang pala, pinauna ko si Janus, kundi dun na bagsak namin. So anyway, a client of his, binisita siya this December, nung holiday season. And, you know, wala lang, I don't know, business or pleasure, regardless. Ngayon, gusto niya puntahan ngayon yung client niya sa Tagaytay, somewhere sa Alfonso, Cavite, malapit sa may Twin Lakes. Well, ang habulan natin ngayon is basically ang trip going to Tagaytay and back. Pero yung pabalik, syempre hihiwalay na tayo, exit na tayo somewhere sa C5 or probably sa may Bikutan para diretsyon C6. Hindi na tayo mag-skyway. Malamang ito mag-skyway. Ito, ubos ang load ko papunta doon. So, yun lang muna. Balitaan ko kayo ulit in a short while. Okay? Alright, probably you guys have observed na tipong iba na yung image quality ng ating helmet cam. So, we switch back to the Hero 7 kasi mukhang minalas tayo. The Hero 8, you know, died out on me. Nasira yung motherboard, puta. Actually, napansin ko na mukhang parang may something unusual the GoPro Hero 8. Ingay na itong motor na ito, nakakabwisit. well, maingay yung motor na ito, hindi ako makapagsalita eh. Pero ayun, as I was saying, our Hero 8, our GoPro Hero 8 died out on us. Nasira na ng tuluyan. I was hoping na tipong fixable pa siya with just a replacement of some parts. Pero turned out, you know, motherboard ang problema. Actually, I noticed something unusual with the Hero 8 already. Tipong nagahang siya, nag-overheat. I didn't think of that too much kasi as far as we know, normal naman sa Hero 8 yung mga ganong issues. But then lately, last December, papansin natin na tipong after we use the Hero 8, tapos pinatay natin, tapos binuksan natin after a few hours, ayaw na mag-respond. It doesn't turn on, di ba? Marami pang gagawin, kakalikutin bago natin mapagana ulit. Akala natin reset lang ng Hero 8 ang gagawin natin, but then it happened a few times and eventually the LCD died out. Actually, walang problema yung LCD sa likod kasi when we tested out a different LCD for this Hero 8, ganun pa rin ang nangyayari. So definitely it has something to do with the system or the motherboard. I had it checked sa memory PH. Turns out talagang ang problema is motherboard. Yung mga symptoms niya ay similar to water damage, but there are no visible water damage kasi hindi naman natin ginagamit siya pag umuulan, or much less ginamit natin sa swimming or ilubog sa tubig. So wala talaga. So there's no reason for it to have water damage. So ewan, factory defect ba or I don't know. It has been with us for just a little over a year as nasira na yung motherboard. Factory defect yun most likely, but then unfortunately nawawala na rin yung resibo so I can't have it replaced for warranty. That's the unfortunate thing. So we have to sell the GoPro Hero 8 for scrap. Yun na lang yung pwede natin gawin eh. So yun, we had it sold and we're back to the Hero 7. Reliable naman tong Hero 7. Actually it's more reliable than the Hero 8. The only issue I have with the Hero 7, mas maganda yung quality ng image ng Hero 8. Mas maganda yung stabilization, mas crisp yung videos. Yun nga lang wala pala eh, mahinang klase. Ay nako. We were actually thinking of buying another one, pero sulit bang bumili ulit ng Hero 8 or should we go for the Hero 9 or Hero 10? Kasi mahal eh, grabe. Anyway, gaya nga ng problema natin before, ubus-ubus na budget natin. So tsaka na lang natin problemahin yun. Woo! Wala na akong pera. Hero 7 na lang, tsatsagain na lang natin. Saglit na kami dito sa Tagaytay. Actually hindi ko alam kung ano nga gagawin dito sa... Oh shoot! Pucha. Woo! Nagkamali tayo. Puta, dapat doon. Mali. Nagkamali ako. Dapat doon tayo sa taas eh, oh. Ikot na tayo. Next skyway na nga lang, nagkamali pa. Lekat yan talaga. Sorry guys, nagkamali. We should be taking the SLEX ramp. First time. I got used to taking this route nung nag-i-skyway pa tayo. Kalimutan natin. I was busy vlogging na tipong hindi ko nakita na tipong I should be taking the exit. Actually hindi siya exit eh, pero yung ramp na yon. So mangyayari ngayon, mag-i-exit tayo sa Alabang. Ay nako, vlog pa more. Sorry guys. So ito, sulungin muna natin yung traffic. Okay? Nagtataka ko ba't dito? Nagbablog ako eh, nawala sa isip ko. Alright guys, Kalamba tayo. Kakapanibago, kakabwisit. Alright. So yun, supposedly dire-diretso tayo. Dapat doon tayo sa taas, oh. Kung gano'n na tayo, if we made the right exit, right ramp. But then wala. Jologs, bad trip. So anyway, exit na ulit tayo. Okay, Petron muna daw, magsi-CR. Woo! So balik na tayo dito sa expressway. Kaya hindi ko nakita tong truck, ang laki. Woo! Birit ka na naman. Ayoko pumirit, pero habol ako. Speed na naman tayo. Speed limit 100 lang. Tinipid ako sa gas. Ang mahal-mahal na ng toll, magagastos pa ako sa gas. Tipid-tipid lang, 100 lang, para hindi masyado malakas. Unfortunately, the last time we went here nung New Year, yung toll holiday, wala tayong vlog nun eh. Doon natin napansin yung problema ng Hero 8 actually. Alam mo yun, initially when we were using the Hero 8, okay siya, as in okay siya. But then as it progresses, nawawala yung stabilization ng Hero 8. Para ako naka Hero 4, ang gulo ng camera, I mean, ang gulo ng video. Parang wala stabilization, hindi naka hyper smooth. Tapos near the half of the vlog, wala, corrupted yung file, meaning hindi na siya nakuha na ng maayos ng camera, nag-freeze yung camera, technically speaking. Ayun, so yun ang naging problema natin with the Hero 8. Kaya wala tayong vlog. We're only halfway through the vlog nung mag-freeze yung camera natin, and we didn't even know na tipong nag-freeze na pala yung camera natin during that time. So talagang wala, tapon, sorry. So parang ika nga, sorry na lang. Well, at least doon natin nalaman na may problema yung Hero 8 natin. Hindi na natin siya gagamitin in our other motovlog. Just imagine using an effective camera on an important event, like for example endurance run. Pero yun, sumali ka doon for the trip and for the vlog as well, tapos wala ka pala nakuhanan because the camera froze up on you, di ba? Okay na yun, nasira na tipong on regular use lang, not on special events. Anyway, stop over muna kami dito sa Petron, CR break. Oh, Sonia's Garden nga. Bukas ba to? Uy, maganda to in fairness. Hello sir. Alright guys, so kasama natin si Sir Danny. Dinaanan natin dito sa Alfonso and J-Nuts. Puros may ingay motor nila. Tara, let's. So kakain kami sa Surugin Ramen. So yun nga, si Sir Danny. Si Sir Danny used to be a customer of J-Nuts. So si Sir Danny, madalas, actually mas matagal sila sa Paris, France. Doon sila naka-base ngayon. Although they have their property here sa Alfonso. Umuwi sila once a year. Now the thing is, meron big bike si Sir. Sayang, iniiwanan lang dito. Nagkakilala sila ni J-Nuts through my vlog. Now si Sir kasi babalik na sila ng Paris, I guess this week. I believe this weekend pabalik na sila ng Paris, France. So last one ride before they go, kaya pinuntahan namin. Hopefully it would be a good trip today. So yeah, yun lang muna. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Alfonso, sa may Surugin Ramen. Para sila hindi pa nakakakain doon. So let's introduce them to some good ramen here in Alfonso. Right? Very good. So Z650, Ninja 650 and the Z1000. Hey. Alright. Si Sir Danny, nilibre tayong lunch. Alright. Let's go. Alright guys. So yun lang, quick lunch. Actually, it's already a late lunch. It's already 2:20 in the afternoon. Medyo late tayo. Pero yun lang, sinamahan lang natin si Sir Danny mag despedida lunch. Hindi nila alam itong lugar so hindi naman sila masyado naglalabas unless doon sila sa Tagaytay banda. So it's new for them yung area since looban to. So yun lang mga boss, I guess I'll end my vlog here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do hit the thumbs up and subscribe to BossTL PH. Don't forget to click that notification bell to be notified of our new uploads. Right? So, as I always say, stay awesome, stay safe. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.